Buenas noches, estimada tutora Natalia Vallejo. Mi nombre es Lizeth Adriana Martínez Telles. Soy estudiante de psicología. En esta ocasión hablaré sobre mi información personal para la actividad 3, Speaking. Personal information. Hello, my name is Adriana Martínez. I am 22 years old. I'm from Bogotá. I live in Moniquira, Boyacá. I study psychology in the UNAD. My father is pensioner. He is named Valentin and he is 40 years old. He is from Susa, Cundinamarca. My mother is Marta. She is housewife and she is 42 years old. She is from Bogotá. I have 3 sisters. My sister old is Valentina. She is 70 years old. She is studying in the University Polical Sciences. My sister is Angelica. She is 9 years old. She is studying in the school. My sister is Sarai. She is 7 years old. She is studying in school. We live in a house big. My house is beautiful. There are rooms and 2 bathrooms. There are 2 chickens and gas and arigots. It has a magic balcony. There are rooms have on TV and big beds. Thank you.